That was a toy that me and Mike got for him, but you know the things, the strings he carries around, it was inside of that,
Oh,
and
Lord.
he just took it out.
Cody, you distracted.
Yes, he is. Why are you trying to be cute?
You know you recording.
Don't show off for the camera. You are showing off for Ange.
Oh, why he keep showing off to me?
Cause you're female.
He's gonna bite that off. That whole top piece is about to come off.
Cody, why you licking it?
What tastes like?
Uh-oh. Who that buddy? Budget.